Alright YouTube, this is the companion video to the Kurt receiver install on my 2012 Avalanche. Today I'm doing the Hopkins 40940 7-pin blade connector for your trailer with trailer brakes. I'm going to be putting it in where my license plate is, just on the opposite side of where your spare lock is for dropping your spare tire. I've got everything measured out where I want it to be, got a mark. I'm going to drill it. Got my 2-inch hole saw. I'm going to drill that out and screw it and connect it. Pilot hole. And draw another pilot hole for the hole saw. Got my 2-inch hole saw. All right, there we go. A little hard to do in a rolly chair. Make sure it fits in there. Fits pretty good. Alright. Now go ahead and connect it. And then got some self-tapping screws. Gonna put in the holes to hold it in there. Let's go ahead and connect it. Did forget one component. Put the terminal grease that comes with your Hopkins. Give the terminals a nice coating here that prevents corrosion. Alright, it's connected. Let's go ahead and line it up and put our self-tapping screws in. That's about right. I'm going to put a wing in and make sure that the rest of it's straight. Alright, there we go. Got my plate on, screws snugged up. Just showing you what it looks like from the close-up. And that's what it looks like with the receiver installed.